guys, welcome back. My Glossybox has arrived. Sorry, this is so reflective, this box. It's their 10 years of beauty, so it's their anniversary edition, which looks really cool. This box looks absolutely stunning. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, put up a chair, and let's go. Now, before we dive into this box, you may or may not have noticed I didn't upload a Glossybox subscription unboxing last month. It came so late and it was full of substitutions. I was really angry and unhappy with it, so I just didn't upload it. That's the end of that, really. But this box has arrived super fast, like really fast. It arrived this morning. The last one arrived sort of like the 23rd of last month, which is absolutely ridiculous, bearing in mind I pay for it on the 1st. So it's nice to see this arriving right at the beginning of the month. So I'm really excited to be diving in. If you're unfamiliar with Glossybox, they are a beauty subscription service. You can get 5 items, I think it is, a month, and they guarantee the value of those items over £50, which is cool. I will put all the details down below of how much I pay. And they've sent me an email to say that there is an extra item in this box because of my last month's one was so late. So I'm really intrigued as to what that is. So let's dive in. Glossybox is always beautifully presented. We get a lovely magazine. It's tied up with a ribbon. So let's dive in. I am first going to show you a sneak peek of what's to come in September. September already? I know, like sort of August, but September. Oh, this looks quite cool. I'm going to show it to you now. So if you don't want to know what it is, please close your eyes. And here we go, hoping you can see that okay. It looks very interesting, very, very interesting. I'm intrigued. And we've got all our items in here, which is quite cool. I'm going to bust into this box and then give you a cheeky, sneaky peek. There is quite a few items in here. So here we go. Look at that. We've got all these kind of glittery squiggles. Now I'm just going to dig out what the sneak peek was from last month. And we've got here the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's anti-aging. We got 15 mils in here. I'm not going to open this up. Well, I'm going to make sure it's sealed. Yeah, I've got a seal. But I'm going to pop this by for my giveaway because this is an item that I really don't get on with. There is so much fragrance in here and my skin absolutely hates it. It's a raved about product as well, so it's such a shame. I was so excited when I got one and tried it. But now I'm going to put this by for a giveaway, so one of you lovely people will receive it. And they have said that this sample is 15 mils and it's worth £30, which is quite cool. And it says, your youthful skin that looks firmer and feels more radiant, we've got the gift for you. This award-winning anti-aging product is a highly moisturising yet still ultra-light gel cream that quenches the thirsty skin and increases hydration. So that's cool. And they've got a top tip and it says, warm up the cream in your hands first before applying to the skin. Oh, we like that. There's a couple of bits here. Oh, we've got an eyeshadow palette here. This is nice. I haven't removed the swatch from my Look Fantastic unboxing. I've just totally forgotten to wipe it off. So let's dive in. This is from the brand Steve Laurant and it's a celebration edition eyeshadow palette. It's nice to receive one of these. His packaging looks really cute. And let's have a look at what shades we got in here. Oh, dropping stuff on the floor. We've got a nice mirror as well, which I'm going to cover up because you want to be seeing me twice. I'm going to give these a couple of swatches. There are some really nice neutral tones. We've got mattes, shimmers, which is quite cool. So I'm going to do 2 shimmers. Let's go into that one and that one. And let's go into a couple of mattes. And that's what we have. I'm going to have to swatch them beside the blush, I'm afraid. Oh, I like that. Sorry, I may have dug in a bit too deep there. But there we go. Absolutely lovely. Really, really nice. I'm going to have to pick up a wipe now because I'm going to run out of places to swatch, I think. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to dive into that. I am a neutral girl, so that palette is right up my street. I'm going to be really naughty and use a non-reusable wipe just to remove kind of all of these off, as I'm not very prepared this morning. Yes, I know it's shameful and it's not good for the environment, but I'm in a pinch. Right, that's those off. And what have Glossybox said? They said it's a celebration eyeshadow palette. Create the most glam eye looks you could ever imagine with a celebration eyeshadow palette. A mixture of seriously seductive shades that include both matte and shimmers. These highly pigmented shadows apply evenly and feel ultra velvety and silky smooth. It's extremely lightweight and long lasting too. Your shadow won't shift either, even if you're dancing the whole night long. And it's full size and it's valued at £23, which is fabulous. And it says, top tip, use an eyeshadow primer before crafting your look to make your colours pop. So that is fabulous. We have got more items in here. The next item is from the brand Lottie London, and it is a blush, and it's in the shade Haze, which is cool. This is like a nice ombre blush. There we go. I do love a blush. It's my weakness is blush. I'm just going to pop my finger in and swirl it around the whole thing. There we go, as I normally would. Oh, that's a very bright pink. I absolutely love that. You could go in with a light hand, I would, and then build up the colour intensity as you would want it. That's very, very pink. It's nice. Got another blush from my collection. And Look Fantastic, sorry, not Look Fantastic, Glossybox, excuse me. They said this is worth £5.95. I think it's full size. They've not said whether it's Deluxe Mini or not. It says, whether you're after a natural flush or want to make a serious statement, this ombre blush can help you totally tailor your look. In the shade Haze, this beautiful blusher is perfect for creating the ultimate rosy flush for an instant look. It says, top tip, apply with a loose brush over one with tightly packed bristles, offers the best results. Okay, so go for a nice loose fluffy brush rather than a tightly packed one, and you'll get better results with that. Now the next item in here is, ooh, it's from the brand NCLA, and it's the So Rich, and it's a cuticle gel or cuticle oil, and it's in the fragrance of birthday cake. Look at these glitters in here. I like that. Does it shake up glitter? Yes, it does. And the glitter goes everywhere. So let's pop some of this on. I do neglect my cuticles, I'm afraid. Let's pop a little bit on. Just rub it in and just give it a sniff. Oh, that does smell like cake too. I'm just rubbing it here into my thumb, sort of across the nail. It's gone everywhere. It's all over my hand, as I thought it might. It does smell like sweet cake. That's really, really nice. I like that. It's very oily. You're not going to need a lot. I'm going to have to take off this residue because it's just everywhere. Oh my goodness. Absolutely everywhere. And Glossybox have said, the So Rich Birthday Cake Cuticle Oil. We love this limited edition birthday cake scented cuticle oil that NCLA launched for their 10th birthday. So we had to include it in our birthday beauty box too. Containing sunflower seed oil and vitamin E to nourish your cuticles, this oil deeply hydrates and soothes, locking in moisture all day long, and it's full size and it retails at £13.80. So this box is already, you know, up there in value, which is quite cool. Top tip, it says use twice a day to nourish and soften cuticles. Now the next item we have in here is from the brand Josephine, and it is a liquid highlighter, and it's in the shade Do You, and it's a natural flawless liquid highlighter. There's packaging. I've not come across this brand before, so this is nice, something new. which is cool, and I've just thrown it on the side. Here's the packaging. That is gorgeous. I do like that. I'm going to give this a nice swatch. Oh, this is different. We have a doe foot applicator here, which is cool. Let's give it a swatch. That's a very, very pale shade, so I don't know if that will suit kind of everybody. If you can see that, it's kind of like a pearly, champagne-y kind of shade. It's very nice though. I do like that. A nice new highlighter to try. Yeah, that's quite nice. Not really a fragrance to it, but that's okay. Doesn't have to have a fragrance. And Glossybox have said this is full size. It retails at £26.20. Wow. And it's from the brand Josephine Cosmetics. It says illuminate your best features with just a single swipe of this Luxe liquid highlighter. The natural complexion enhancer is infused with skin nourishing green tea extract, evening primrose and luminous radiance pearls that will capture and reflect light for a healthy, dimensional, sun-kissed, dewy finish. And their top tip is try mixing a few drops in with your foundation to give yourself an all-over glow. Now, it's a bit difficult to do it as drops because it's a doe foot applicator, so you could pop some on the back of your hand, pop your foundation on top and try and mix it in that way. But you're not going to be able to add drops like that because it's not that kind of formula. Now we've got 2 items left in here, and these are not in the magazine, so these are our extras. So we have got it's a Rose Beige blush, and it's a baked blush from the brand Karl Largerfield Model Co. There we go. And like I said, it's in the shade Rose Beige. There's a lot of blush today. I think I've unboxed 3, 2 from this one and 1 from Look Fantastic. And here's what it looks like. So it's a nice glowy blush. Excuse me. Let's give this a swatch. This is, I think, would be another one that I'd use as a blush topper or as an eyeshadow. I think that would be absolutely stunning. Yeah, because that's a very it's a very light kind of colour, so I'd use that as probably like a highlighter or use it as an eyeshadow. But that's absolutely gorgeous. That was very creamy as well, and it's just gone on like a dream. So I'm very pleased with that one. And the last item we've got in here is from the brand Flexitol, and it's a small sample, and it's the Rescue Heal Balm for dry and cracked skin. Gives you visible results, suitable for diabetics. We've got 3 grams in here, which is absolutely fabulous. So just pop a small amount of it onto your heels, rub it in. I would even use this sort of around the ankles if you've got incredibly dry ankles as well. This would be absolutely fabulous. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. Wow, there is a lot of products in here. I'm just going to gather them all back up. I'm blown away, really. So we've got the Steve Laurant eyeshadow palette. We've got the Lottie London Ombre blush. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is going to go into my giveaway. We've got the Josephine Cosmetics highlighter. We've got the NCLA cuticle oil in the fragrance of birthday cake. And we've got the Karl Lagerfield Model Co baked blush. And that's an extra. Plus the Heal Balm. Wow. I think that did kind of make up for the box being late last month. I'm very pleased. I've now got 3 new blushes to try now. Which I'm not complaining. I absolutely love blush. A new highlighter. So if you get Glossybox, let me know kind of what you thought in the comment box below, not description box, in the comments below, and what you kind of thought. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this month. I was last month really considering unsubscribing because it was just, it's not on. The delays is just getting ridiculous, and my box over the months is just getting gradually later and later. But you know, I'm really pleased with that one. I think they redeemed themselves this month, so thank you very much, Glossybox, if you watch this. Very pleased with this one. I'm going to finish off my tea, and get about my day. But thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.